What up, ladies and gentlemen? Markel Fultz, NBA player here, and I'm with Tarver Academy. And guess what? Today we are learning about some math. Okay, so I've got a problem. It's from the ACT. So, I mean, it's not the exact ACT, but it's an ACT example problem for our bell ringer today. And so we're going to work this. I'm going to let you take a shot at it, and then I'm going to work it with you. Let's get started. It says, Jimmy Butler probably, Jimmy got a job painting dorm rooms, okay? He can paint 5 rooms during a 1-hour shift. Not bad. How long does it take Jimmy to paint 1 room? Okay, first off, I'm going to change this. That's a 6-hour shift. That's on me. That's my bad. Okay? He painted 5 rooms during a 6-hour shift. Okay? How long does it take Jimmy to paint 1 room? There's a couple ways to work this. I want you to try it. So pause this, give it a shot, and then I'll work it with you and see if you got it right. Ready? Pause. Pausing on a free throw. Just like that. Okay, so here we go. Let's work this together. So let's look at our facts. He can paint 5 rooms during 1 6-hour shift. So in 6 hours, our boy Jimmy can paint 5 rooms, okay? It'd be convenient if he painted 6 rooms in 6 hours. I'd be like, oh, that's 1 hour, okay? How long does it take him to paint 1 room? Okay, so what we're doing is we're trying to break this down and see how long it would take him to do 1 of these rooms if it takes him 6 hours to do 5. So there's a couple ways to do it. I'm going to show you the way I would do it, and then I'll give you a hint on what I look for when I'm working it. Okay, so this doesn't divide evenly, so I can't just do like 6 divided by 5. Okay, it just doesn't work out cleanly. So what I want to do is I want to break it up into minutes. Okay, if I've got 6 hours, if I want to know what that is, I'm going to spread it out into minutes. So there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I'm going to multiply those and get 360 minutes. That's our total amount of minutes that old Jimmy is painting rooms. Now I can divide 360 a lot cleaner with 5. So I'm going to do 360 divided by 5. 360, dunk. Markel Fultz. Okay, so 360 divided by 5, that's going to go into it 72 times. So it's going to take him 72 minutes to paint 1 room because I've divided. I've taken all of my minutes, 360 minutes, and I know there are 5, so I'm just going to divide that by 5. I don't know why I'm doing my hands like this. 72 minutes. Now, there's a good chance that on the multiple choice test, it could give you hours and then minutes. So you know if it's 72 minutes, or I know that I can pull 60 minutes out of that and get 1 hour. And when you pull 60 out of 72, how much is left? 12. So it's 1 hour, 12 minutes. And that would be our answer. That's it. Now, also, just a fun fact, this is a tip. This one's for free. Actually, all this is free. But if you're working this problem and say you're just like kind of confused on it, you can still look at this and know kind of a general vicinity of where your answer should be. So if it's multiple choice, if it takes him 6 hours to do 5 rooms, you know that if he did 6 rooms, it'd be an hour. That's pretty easy. It's an hour per room. Now, if he's doing less than that, then that means it's going to be more than an hour. It's taking him longer than an hour. Because if he was doing an hour at a time, it'd be exactly 6. Okay? So that's just a fun fact. That's a hint. That's a tip. Just a little tippy tip, okay? So that's all I got. Thank you guys for tuning in. Markel Fultz here. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to make 100 on all of your tests. That's all I got. Y'all be good. Stay sweet.